Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
I'm Abby the gardener.
And I'm Aiden.
And here we are, back at it, planting the other half of the native shrub border at the Carolina Garden House. You can see over here is what we got done a few days ago.
Yep.
And we were just debating on whether or not it should be watered, but we've got rain in the forecast for tomorrow, which is why we're going to get extra busy to get all of this bed done today. I think we can do it.
Yeah.
We proved ourselves very capable last week. So without further ado, let's get this up on the tripod and put in a time lapse. So stay tuned for our progress, everybody. So this ended up being a whole neighborhood affair. Wave, everybody. And in 1 hour and 19 minutes, we got the entire thing planted. So now we're gonna rake, and I actually have a big bag of liatris that a local gardening friend gave me, and we're gonna toss that seed out now because I think it needs some cold stratification to germinate. And then our plan for this bed, we are gonna mulch this bed because we've run out of other seeds. Whereas this bed that we did on Friday, we overseeded it. So we're not going to mulch this bed because the seedlings need light to germinate, so we can't cover them. So we're gonna do 2 different applications, and then we'll be able to compare the performance of the plants, since the plant material is the same in both beds, or almost completely identical. I am so excited. I can't believe that all of the pots are in the ground. Okay, so my young lady helpers here did an overseeding of Liatris spicata, and we're saying this as a reference to ourselves so we actually remember when we see seedlings germinating that they're good. And then we have one last packet of poppies. Abby, show them. This is from the 2022 poppy crop.
Yes! Thanks to Jesus!
And we're gonna sow it, I think, kind of along this edge where the soil cube is. And I'm gonna turn the camera around, and actually we'll pour some in each of your hands, and everybody will get to toss or bowl some poppy seeds into the bed. And then we can't walk in the bed at all once the poppy seeds are sown. Play. Okay, so I guess I get to have some seeds to toss in. Thank you. Okay, so our method is simple. We take our handful, excellent, and now we're gonna just lightly toss them in. That way they get good spreading coverage, and we're just gonna remember not to mulch this little section. Good job, good job. It's gonna be pretty. Hopefully they all germinate. There you go.
So how do you like this?
I like working.
See? Look.
Oh, here, show them your hand. There you go.
So that is poppy seeds.
Well, we'll have some poppies there.
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing about doing for planting?
The seeds. Yeah.
The seeds. I mean, the seeds are always so much fun, I think. That's why I like to grow so many seeds, because they're easy. You just toss them out.
Yeah.
Well, I'm really excited to watch this border, both of these borders, grow. You guys, you haven't been properly introduced. Do you want to tell everybody what your names are?
My name is Madeline.
My name is Gabriel.
What about you, Mr.?
Charlie.
There's Charlie, and there are other neighbors of ours that live down the street. And then Aiden back there dug a whole bunch of holes. Christine, Nick, Jim, David. It's a huge group effort. Thanks, everybody. See, at YouTube friends, if you lived in our neighborhood, you would have dug holes too.